Come here, Caleb. Hi. Alright, Mommy's going this way. Come on, Caleb. Come here. You're making the scream like you see a kitty. Come on, Caleb. Come on. Beep, beep. Come on. Beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. Carpets are your nemesis. I love you, Caleb. Oh no, you're stuck. You're stuck. Come on. Come on, Caleb. Come on. Come on. Ah! Come on. Come on. Griffey, go get Caleb. Griffey, go get Caleb. No. You're not big enough for stairs yet, babes. Hi. Hi. You want to be picked up? Do you want to be picked up? You want to pick up? Come on. Reach up. Caleb. Okay. Okay, I'll pick you up. You like Mommy's bracelet? Hey, hey. No. Caleb, look at Mommy. No. No. Clap hands. Clap hands. Yay! Clap hands. No. I'm really excited about my toes. Mommy got her toes done. See Mommy's toes? Yes, pretty. Yes. I hope they're dry. Yes. Ooh. Goodbye.